a power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. N is an odd number. This concept we will apply again. 1 power 13 plus 60 power 13. It is divisible by 61, which is 1 plus 60. 2 power 13 plus 59 power 13. Again divisible by 61. Last case, 30 power 31. 13 plus 31 power 13. Again divisible by 61. 61. Answer for this question is 0. Directly you can say it is 0 because of another concept that also I will explain. There are 60 values are there. There are 60 values are there. There are 30 whose complement is will add up to 61. There is 30 and another 30 if I add, I will get 61. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b when n is an odd number. When n is an odd number. When n is an odd number. I will twist this question. I will twist this question. Anybody who wantedly I kept this question because you will fumble this question. Most likely students will, in a hurry they will tell 0 because the previous question is 0. Don't do this mistake. Reminder 1, 22 and 88. From 22 to 23 power 3 and so on up to 88 power 3. 22 to 88. Total 67 values are there. Previous question it is even number of values. So 22 power 3 plus 88 power 3. It is divisible by 110. What is the concept that I am using here? A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. 23 power 3 plus 87 power 3. It is divisible by 110. And so on up to 54 power 3 plus 56 power 3. It is also divisible by 110. One value is left in the numerator. What is that value? 55 cube. Remaining all will cancel out to be 110. 55 cube divided by 110 is 55 into 2. 55 cube by 55. It will become 55 square divided by 2. Odd number divided by 2, 1. These for 55 square. 55 cube is 1 into 55, 55. 1 into 55, 55. I hope you have understood the difference between question number 6 and question number 5. In question number 6, odd number of values are there. Here 33, here 33 and in between 1. This 33 will get closed with 33. Remaining one value is left. What is that value? 55 cube. 110 is 55 into 2. 50 square divided by 2. It is odd number divided by 2. It is 1. 1 is for 55 square. But I want for 55 cube. Another 55 is multiplied. 1 into 55 is 55. I hope it is clear to you. One more, few more problems. 3 power 444 plus 4 power 333 divided by 5. This can be written as remainder of 3 power 4 power 111 plus 4 power 3 power 111 divided by 5. This is nothing but 81 power 111 plus 64 power 111 divided by 5. You can do it in multiple methods. Method 1. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. So it is divisible by 145. 145 is 5 into 29. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. One way to do. One way to do. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b. Right if n is an odd number. Method 1. Method 2. Method 2. Praveen, a phone charging. Method 2. Negative remainder concept. Negative remainder concept. 5 16s are 80. Positive remainder is 1. 5 13s are 65. Negative remainder is minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Either you can use a power n plus b power n divisible by a plus b, or you can use negative remainder. 3 power 4 power triple 1, 4 cube power triple 1. 81 by 5. 5 16s are 80. Remainder 1. 5 13s are 65. Minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next one. Already we did this question. Answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Ninth question. Eighth one. I hope it is clear. Ninth one. Please write down a note. This is the concept which I wanted to explain. Note. If k is an odd number, if k is an odd number, a1, a2, a3, if these elements are in arithmetic progression, if these elements are in arithmetic progression, if these elements are in arithmetic progression, then a1 power k plus a2 power k plus a3 power k and so on up to an power k is always divisible by a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on up to an. If k is an odd number and the base values are in arithmetic progression, a1, a2, a3, if they are in arithmetic progression, a1 power k plus a2 power k plus a3 power k and so on up to an power k is always divisible by the sum of the bases. One example. If n equivalent to 5, 1 power 5 plus 3 power 5 or n equivalent to 3 we will take smaller value. n equivalent to 3. n equivalent to 3. If n equivalent to 3, 1 power 3 plus 3 power 3 plus 5 power 3. Check what is the value. This is 1. This is 27. This is 125. This is 153. Is 153 divisible by sum of the bases? 1 plus 3 plus 5? 9? Yes, because sum of the digits is 9. If k is an odd number, and the bases are in arithmetic progression, a1 power k, a2 power k and so on up to an power k is always divisible by a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on up to an and so on up to an and so on up to an.